Air India Flight 171 bound for London's Gatwick Airport crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad this Thursday. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner had 242 people on board, including passengers from India, Britain, Portugal, and Canada. According to the city's police chief, there appears to be no survivors in the crash. The plane rapidly lost altitude seconds after taking off and crashed near a residential area in the city.
What happened in Ahmedabad is a very tragic accident. We have lost a lot of people. We extend our deepest condolences to all those who have lost their loved ones. There are, I understand, several foreigners also. But you would have seen, that everybody is concerned, and we once again convey our deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their loved ones.
Now, here's what eyewitnesses on the ground in Ahmedabad had to say.
My office is 200 meters away from this crash site. I heard a loud noise and came outside. I then saw a thick cloud of smoke. People started running in chaos. Now that I've arrived here, I can see what the situation is like.
I was sitting inside when the blast happened, a huge blast. Police and a huge crowd were gathered outside, so I ran and came over here and saw that there was fire and smoke. I didn't have the courage to get any closer, so I watched everything from afar. The rescue team also arrived in 10 minutes. Yes, 5 of them had arrived.
We can go across to Navadita Kumari standing by in New Delhi. Navadita, what more do we know at this hour?
So in the latest update, we heard the police chief of Ahmedabad talking to an Indian television saying that he thinks there is no survivor in this plane AI-171 that just was turned into a huge fireball within minutes of its takeoff from Ahmedabad city. And rescuers, while they are still are at the site, it's been a couple of hours. They have been looking through the area. The debris of the plane has scattered over a wide area, and there are visuals from the side that shows the tail of the plane lodged at the roof of a building which is believed to be a hostel of medical students. And it is at this building that 5 medical students have been confirmed dead. So apart from the passengers' life, there are fear that more casualties could be there from the residential area. There have been reactions coming in from different parts of the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the tragedy of Ahmedabad has stunned and saddened us. He says that it is heartbreaking beyond words, and his thoughts are with the families affected by it. We also heard British Prime Minister Keir Starmer saying that the scenes from the tragic site is devastating, and that's he's been keeping updated with the latest development from Ahmedabad. We know that there were 53 British nationals apart from 169 Indians and also 7 Portuguese nationals. So it's a very, very sad day for India. The entire country is in shock, and because of this crash, which is believed to be one of the worst air disasters in India's history.
Navadita, Air India was taken over by the Tata Group just a couple of years ago. What has the airline been saying?
Yeah, Tata Group that owns Air India, its chairman N. Chandrasekharan has said that it's very extremely sad and devastating to hear about the accident, and he's said that they have set up emergency response center in Ahmedabad, as well as they're trying to set one at the Gatwick International Airport. And he's saying that he's cooperating with authorities and giving all the necessary information they need to carry out their investigation, and they are in touch with the aviators and to render any help they would need in the coming hours or days for the investigation into this tragic accident. While authorities have not officially given any statement about the entire scale of the devastation and casualties, we have seen Aviation Ministry urging reporters, asking for what were the reasons behind this crash, to give them some time to carry out investigation. This investigation might take some days, and they have to still recover the black boxes from the tail of the plane, and it will take some time for them to analyze all the information to know what was the real cause of this devastating crash that happened in Ahmedabad minutes into after the plane took off.